Good morning. Welcome to another episode with the Good Deal Guy, where we do all the reviews of all the cool tech and all the new stuff. If you guys are brand new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button in the bottom just to support the channel. And let's dive in. I want to show you my DUDAO hi-fi stereo headset. These are the new wired headsets. They're coming back in style. A lot of people are liking them. A lot of people like those other ones, they're wireless ones, but then you have to charge them. A lot of people lose them. They spend $200-300 and they're like, I'm not buying that again, right? These ones, they're actually really cool. If you noticed, if you have one of these new Samsung phones, they don't have the headphone jack anymore. If you have one of those new iPhones, I think it's iPhone 14 and up, they don't have the headphone jack anymore. So what this does, it has a Type-C, because all these new phones are going to be Type-C. If you have LG, Sony, if you have any of these new phones, they're all going to be Type-C. And this connects in, and you can listen for music or for talking on the phone. Let's open this and check it out real quick. This is the DUDAO X14 PROT. I've sold a lot of stuff from these guys. I've sold their headphones, I've sold their power banks, I've sold their wireless chargers, I've sold their call holders. Amazing products. Perfect. So in the box, you got your left and right, you got the plug, and I think you have the volume control. Really nice packaging too. So when you're actually not using it, if you put it in your bag or gym bag, or some ladies carry them in their purse, so this stays there and you can actually, and the wire is really long. Okay, now let's try the sound quality on this real quick and see how they stay in the ear. Let's do a check. We are using the music only for demonstration purposes because I don't want to get hit with lawsuits for infringements. So I'm just using this for demo, but they do sound amazing. And the cord is really long. And they actually stay in the ear pretty good, like if you're going for a jog or if you're going for a gym. They actually stay in the ear really good. And the sound is really good. Now they have this here. This is for the volume. Okay, so you can change the volume here. And you can touch to answer the phone. So if you listen to music and somebody calls, you can use that as well. Right here. And it's your microphone as well, so you can talk on the phone. Super cool. You know, if you're like somebody, you don't want to go spend $200-300 on wireless headphones and you don't have to worry about charging them, definitely recommend it. And you know the good thing is, guys, it's only $20. This is my DUDAO wired headphones, the Type-C. If you need them for you or if you need them for gifts back to school, shoot me a message. And again, if you're brand new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe so you can see all my new reviews. Have a great day.